Puma Punku is one of the strangest sites on Earth because it's here high on the Altiplano of Bolivia, about 7 miles from Lake Titicaca, and the precision of the surfaces here are basically beyond belief. This could not have been the work of a primitive Stone Age or Bronze Age culture. Some of these stone slabs weigh more than 100 tons and were not from this specific location. They had to have been brought in from between 5 and 10 kilometers away. And these are the famous H blocks. Each one is slightly different in size than the other. So they could not have been made in a form and then manufactured a number at a time. Each one was individually shaped. And none of these foundation blocks here, some of them, or at least one weighing over 130 tons, doesn't look like it's in its original position. It looks like they were all pushed together. As well, this one is on an angle, and who knows how much of it is still under the ground. It is as if a huge cataclysm of some kind hit this place. So what the hell is this place, and why is nothing in its original position? Again, even the massive foundation blocks here. This one may be in its original position, and maybe one at the far end, but the others look like they've been shoved together. And how can you account for the fact that this 16-inch level, I'm holding it right flat against the stone surface, and there's no variation, there's no wobble. That has to be within a few thousandths of an inch of being perfectly flat. So most mainstream archaeologists believe that this site was made possibly 2,000 years ago by a Stone Age or possibly Bronze Age culture. But as you've seen with the level, the flatness of the stone, that is impossible to achieve with hand tools, even modern hand tools. This had to have been done with machine tools sometime in the very distant past.